Hey, what's up people? Welcome to my first video ever. Today we are going to play Airplane Factory, Airplane Factory Simulator, I think. Yeah. So I think that's the manager. Let's get a certified here. I don't know. I'm just new to this. Yeah. So I see that you can get to any seat to get some. I want to do engine assembly and forklift. I can't buy some jobs. Aw, man. I mean, like this looks cool. Oh, engine. I'll pick engine, and then it says spawn forklift. So I'm just gonna go ahead on that, and then yep. Okay. Now I have no idea about this, so I'm gonna bring my wayfinder. Oh, someone has engine too. An engine. Where's the engine? Oh. Okay, look for. Wait. Crane. I don't actually know this because I'm just new to this game. I think you just have to put this here. What the heck? What the heck happened? Oh, but yeah. So no idea. I have no idea where I have no idea. 737. Oh, we work for Boeing. Nice. I want to work for Airbus. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna stick with this. I'll just get used to it. Don't worry. But I think that's the engine. That's place for the engines. That's the place for the engines. Oh, there. Now we can put. What the? Why am I doing a wheel? Alright, so we just have to put it there. Yeah, success. By the way, I'm just gonna take a tour over there. What airplanes are we making? What planes are we making? So yeah. I'm just kind of getting a tour here. So apparently, this is the 747 side, and that is the 737 side. But look at the 747. Looks cool. Oh, how about the fuselage though? Which airline are we gonna sell this to? Oh, rotate? No. I have nearly every part for a whole 737, so somebody just disappeared on me. So let's get working on the 737 instead of the 747. That might actually quite be easy though. The engines might look a little odd. The chin is flat. Oh yes, I got the thing. Alright. So we're just gonna deliver this to a pallet. Yeah, we're just gonna. Oh, oopsie daisy. Oh, that guy's low health. Oh yeah, we do have health in this game. Yes, physics. It's a simulation. I get it. Yes, it's a simulation. Like I said, Airplane Factory Simulator. That's what it said. Oh, wait. Actually, let's just put up okay, raise the thing, the crane, forklift. Okay, now we just put it there. What? Done? Is that done? Wing assembly. I think that's wing assembly. Oh, we need one more pallet. We need to spawn one more pallet, and then we can start building on that tiny wing. Now we just get the aircraft skin, and then boom, bada bing, bada boom. And then we get that stuff in a crane, and then just deliver it. Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. Whoa. Wait, there's no collision? I thought this was a simulation. Rest in peace, physics. You will be missed. So this is the reset one. I'm just gonna put that right over there. Yeah. Yay! Now we can get out. I think use our assembly too. I'm just gonna do that. Guys, clear out. Oh, he's helping. Sprint. Wait, how do you do this? I can't, I can't do. I think. How? How do we? I think it's just, I think it's just because I have to do the engines, but not the wings, because I signed up for engine assembly, remember? Yeah. Remember that pallet spawning also gets you money. Woo! Sweet. It doesn't? How? I'm getting hungry. Oh. So I'm just gonna drop. Ah! Alright, so I'm just gonna sprint all the way there. Follow the track. Someone left a freaking engine assembly. These people waste a lot of things. That's cool. 747 top done. We need winglets. Winglet and rudder. Ooh, a cheeseburger. I can buy one.
Cheeseburger.
I'm gonna add one more because that's 60. Yeah, it's not enough. I need to make it full. There. Why do we keep vote kicking this person? I didn't even. Yeah. Just do whatever you want. Okay, over there. Now we put this. Oh. Just get this structure. Oh, engine. Yeah, cause I can't assemble the things, the wings. I'm just too lazy to do this. A lot of work is getting done here, so I have to do work too, so I'm gonna be quick. So, just put, where do I put this? There's, like, barely, oh, I see one. Oh wait, there's one near too. Left stabilizer. Thing. Now we put it there. It's assembling. I want to assemble. Can I assemble? Please? What? Oh, they already finished it. Okay. Guys, the 747 just got sold. Now we need to build a new one. That's good. We're actually making progress on this one. I didn't even expect it. Planes require a long time to build, Someone stole my oh shit. I'm just gonna steal someone's pallet too. Do that. No. I'm gonna get that. Yeah! Wait, what? Dang it. I stole one. Yeah! That's what they want to do. They steal, so I steal. So nobody said it was illegal. If they're doing it... Okay. No, I mean, nobody said it was illegal though. So you can't, people can't judge me for What I did. What I did. It has holes on it. It has holes. I forgot what it was called. Let's see. That's not what I want to get. Okay. That's not what I want to get. Man. It's called a structural. Somebody stole it. Somebody stole my structural, so I had to spawn another one. 737 about to be sold. Oh, nice. Okay. Get out of the way. Ow. Ah! I can't move! Okay, my phone is just so laggy. Don't know why. Oh my god! Oh my god! We're ready to assemble. Mommy. Alright, assemble turbine. Assemble this. Oh, he's helping me. Nice. Nice! I like assembling. Woo! Awesome. Okay, now engine attachment for the wing so it can attach. Now all we need is a crane to pick this up. Oh, I see the crane. It's not coming here. It's just putting stuff. Okay, seriously, everybody needs to work on the structurals. I mean, there's not much structurals to put. So, everybody, I'm just gonna say something. Check. Okay, I'm getting hungry and I have to assemble this, so I'm just gonna be quick. Alright. Assemble that. Good. I'm getting hungry. Please. Assembling that. Turbo. Good. I just don't know how to pronounce it. Nacelle. I don't know. Okay. And the attacher. Okay. Now let's go get some cheeseburgers. Okay, everyone, so let's one more assembly and then we're done for the day. Guys, I think there's kind of get something. I think there's an argument going on. Power abuser. Oh, the person who said more vocab, less pay got kicked out, so. Oh, now we're celebrating. Cool. Seriously, why is nobody... Okay, I'm just gonna do it by myself. Sheesh. I mean, a lot of people are celebrating. You know why? I think it's because of the, the vote kick. The vote kick. Okay, so we just gotta put this pallet and then now assemble this engine. Okay. The compressor. The turbine. Wow, it looks like gold. Oh, someone's helping too. Nacelle, I have no idea, just and now this handle attachment, I don't know, whatever. Woo! That's the third engine. Bye guys, I had fun with you in this video. I had fun with playing with these assembling engines, so I have to wrap up this video for the day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.